Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amarachi here again. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious stew beans with fried plantain. Some people call it porridge beans and fried plantain, while some people call it stew beans and fried plantain. So if you want to learn how to make this delicious meal, stay tuned. And if you are just stopping by for the first time, thank you very much. Please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so that you get to notified when I post a new video. So these are the ingredients that we need to make this delicious beans porridge. I have the beans over there. I'll be using blackhead beans for this recipe, but you can decide to use any beans of your choice. I have the ripe plantain here. I have scotch bonnets, onions, already medium size, already peeled ginger. I have 4 cloves of garlic, red bell pepper, and tomatoes. I'll be blending these ingredients together. I have already chopped onions over this side, and also this is my salt that I'll be using. I have stock cubes, turmeric, crayfish powder, curry, and our red oil. So let's start the process. So I'll start by washing the beans very well. You want to wash the beans thoroughly. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to wash the beans thoroughly before putting it on fire. So after washing the beans, I'll be parboiling the beans. So that's what I'm doing. I just put the beans on fire and I'll be parboiling it for 5 to 10 minutes. So while that is boiling, I'll be blending my ingredients together: the scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, onions, red bell pepper, and fresh tomatoes. I'll be blending all together. So now I'm washing the beans. I'm washing the parboiled beans to take out those chemicals that they use to preserve the beans. You have to parboil and wash. So now I just put the beans on fire with enough water that I can use to cook the beans. I cook the beans for more than 15 minutes in order for the beans to get soft. So yeah, I'm just trying to check it if the beans is cooked already. So I can see, as you can see, the beans is cooked. Now I can add my ingredients. I'll be adding my onions. I'll be adding the onions, my no seasoning cube, salt to taste. It depends on the quantity of food that you are making that will determine the ingredient that you add. So I just added my curry powder. I'll be adding turmeric, Thereafter, I'll be adding my crayfish powder. Guys, I love crayfish. After that, I will be adding my blended mixture. Definitely, I'm going to risk my blender as usual. So just cover it and allow it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll come back to check it. So we are back now. I'll be adding my palm oil to it. Guys, this palm oil, you know, the weather is getting cold now, so I don't know, the oil is sleeping. I cannot get it out of the container, so I'm just forcing it out. So yes, I'm adding my palm oil. Thereafter, I will cover it and allow everything to, you know, circulate in the beans. So now our beans is ready. Okay, this time you want to test if the salt is okay, but everything is just perfect. Our beans, our baked beans or porridge beans is ready. Just look at this goodness, guys. This tastes so good. In fact, the beans is addictive. Let me just call it addictive stew beans. You want to eat and eat and eat again. So I'll just set that aside and start to prep the plantain. So I'm washing the plantain before cutting it out of the back of the skin. I'll advise you wash your plantain first before taking it out from the skin, in order for you not to add the bacteria from the skin to the plantain, you understand? So yes, that's what I'm doing. So thereafter, you just cut the plantain to the shape that you want your plantain to be. You can cut it round, you can cut it square, you can dice it, but I'm just cutting it the traditional way. You understand now? When you hear of fried plantain, this is how you want to see your plantain. This is how you want the plantain to look. So it's like a traditional way of cutting plantain. So I just put my pan on fire with some vegetable oil. It's heated already, so I'll be frying the plantain. Guys, I will advise when you are frying your plantain, please be with your plantain in the kitchen. Stare at it. Don't look away, because the moment you look away for 1 second, the plantain will turn to another thing. Like, don't even press your phone while frying plantain. Please be warned. So you just fry it like 2 minutes and in the other side, 2 minutes, and then you flip it like the way I'm doing now. I'm just flipping it over. So after you have flipped it over, then you leave it for like 2 or 3 minutes and then you take it out. So that's how you're going to fry all your plantain. So that's what I'm doing. Take note of that, guys. Don't leave your plantain while frying it, okay? So now our beans, our addictive stew beans is ready. Like, guys, this tastes so yummy. Like, I feel like eating it right now. Tastes so filling, so rich, like so delicious, guys. You just have to try this recipe. If you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe, and also put on the post notification bell so that you get to be notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget, guys, I upload videos 3 times every week. Stay care, stay blessed, and stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.